Good Friday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vizuric visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, we broke some records yesterday and probably have a chance to do that again this afternoon.
Yeah, Joe, yesterday we saw those temperatures climb up there into those middle 80s, and we had some upper 80s to around 90 over there around the Hill City and Hayes areas. So we broke the McCook record and the Hill City records. I believe they were 82 and 89 degrees. Out there this morning, we got warmer temperatures right off the bat again. We've got upper 40s out there along the Kansas-Colorado line, and we got 54 in McCook and Oberlin and 59 out there to the east in Norton and Hill City. So it's very similar to what we saw yesterday. Starting today, we also got a south breeze this morning already at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Those south-southwesterly winds will continue also through the rest of the day, and that will lead to the warmer temperatures once again. So we are forecasting highs to be similar to yesterday in those middle to upper 80s, and again, possibly breaking records. Also, what we got developing now is, we've had a high pressure anchored over the mountains. That is moving over the area and moving off to the east this morning, thus that southwesterly wind flow. And behind it, we've got a low pressure that's coming over the Rockies and going to take its place. Right now, there is a little bit of a lead low in northeast Colorado. We got a stationary front running just north of the Kansas-Nebraska border with a dry line setting up from Red Willow County down through to Thomas County, Logan County in that area. And that could be a triggering mechanism when that low comes through later this afternoon and evening for some isolated thunderstorms. We're only expecting one or two because there is some risk that it could be severe. But again, that'll be when the low comes through later this evening and overnight. That'll move off to the east tomorrow morning. Then on the backside of that, we could have some wraparound rain showers looking midday, early afternoon time frame with that. Winds will pick up tonight and turn to a north direction at 25 to 35 miles per hour. So we will have some colder air ushering in with the chances for those showers tomorrow afternoon and midday. Temperatures tomorrow will top out in the middle 50s. So we're going to see a 30-degree drop in the temperatures from today to tomorrow. And then they're going to go below freezing tomorrow night. And with another low-pressure system that'll come through here, we could see rain showers change to snow mix there Sunday morning and have some rain showers in and out through much of Sunday. Sunday will even be colder with those northerly winds. We'll go 45 for highs, 40 to 45 degree range. Overnight lows again will be in the upper 20s, maybe even middle 20s. So that cold air will be with us through the weekend. As far as rain totals go, it looks like it's going to be mostly north of I-70. We could see 20 hundredths up to a half inch up to the Nebraska border, Highway 34, and maybe the heavier stuff up in Nebraska. So we're going to be on the lighter side, and then southwest Kansas and everything in south central Kansas will be in the dry slot of this storm system once again. That'll finish off the month. We've had 4 storm systems. They've mostly been packing strong winds and no rain, but we did get some moisture here in northwest Kansas. We'll take what we get with this one and start looking ahead to next week. Next week, high pressure moves back in. A couple disturbances. It looks like Monday night, Tuesday, Thursday night, Friday, that could give us some light precipitation. More than likely, it'll be dry and high pressure dominant, get us back into the 60s and 70s for highs, lows in the upper 30s, low 40s, all typical temperatures for this time of year. And then we'll be looking for next weekend and through the middle of the next week, the 5th through the 10th, for increased chances for rain and another one of these big systems to come from the west. It is tracking further south. Thus, we could have increased chances for showers and storms and seasonal type temperatures.
All right. Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Vizuric.